Have you ever wondered about the profound statement, "All people are created equal"? It's more than just a phrase. It's a truth rooted in science, history, and our shared humanity. Let's explore 10 stunning facts that illuminate why, at our core, we are all fundamentally the same. Number 10. Our shared genetic origin. Every single person alive today can trace their ancestry back to a small group of early modern humans in Africa, around 200,000 years ago. This means that, genetically, we are all distant cousins, sharing a common family tree that unites all of humanity. Number 9. The out-of-Africa migration. Around 60,000 years ago, our ancestors began migrating out of Africa, populating the entire globe. This incredible journey demonstrates our species' shared capacity for adaptation, innovation, and exploration, traits that are present in every culture and every community. Number 8. The dawn of agriculture. Approximately 12,000 years ago, multiple groups of people, independently and across different continents, discovered agriculture. This wasn't one group teaching another. It was a simultaneous spark of genius, proving that ingenuity and the drive to build a better future are universal human traits. Number 7. The invention of writing. Around 5,500 years ago, civilizations in Mesopotamia, Egypt, China, and Mesoamerica independently developed systems of writing. This monumental leap in communication shows that the desire to record history, share knowledge, and express complex ideas is a fundamental part of the human experience, regardless of geography. Number 6. The Axial Age. Between 800 and 200 BCE, profound philosophical and spiritual movements emerged across the world, from Greek philosophy to Buddhism in India and Confucianism in China. This era highlights a shared human quest for meaning, ethics, and understanding our place in the universe, a search that continues in every one of us today. Number 5. The Renaissance and humanism. Starting in the 14th century, the European Renaissance championed the idea of humanism, celebrating individual potential and human dignity. This wasn't just about art. It was a revolutionary shift that laid the intellectual groundwork for recognizing the inherent worth of every person. Number 4. The Age of Enlightenment. In the 17th and 18th centuries, thinkers like John Locke promoted the concept of natural rights, the idea that every individual is born with rights to life, liberty, and property. These ideas crossed oceans and inspired revolutions, arguing that our rights are not granted by rulers, but are inherent to our existence. Number 3. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights. In 1948, following the devastation of World War II, the United Nations adopted this landmark document. It was the first time in history that the international community formally recognized that every single human being, everywhere, is born free and equal in dignity and rights. Number 2. The Human Genome Project. Completed in 2003, this monumental scientific effort mapped the entire human genetic code. The result was astounding. The DNA of any two people is 99.9% identical. The superficial differences we see are determined by a tiny fraction of our genes, proving our profound biological unity. Number 1. The neuroscience of empathy. Modern brain imaging reveals that we are hardwired for connection. When we see someone else experiencing joy or pain, our brain's mirror neuron systems activate in a similar way, as if we are feeling it ourselves. This biological foundation for empathy is the ultimate proof that we are designed to understand and care for one another. From our shared origins to our shared biology, the evidence is overwhelming. We are one human family, created with equal potential, equal rights, and an equal capacity for greatness. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey through history and science as fascinating as I did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that explores our amazing world.